This is an airport, tiny one. And we're expecting some guests. There they are, but they seem to be in trouble. They need our help. Now this guy announces red alert and the whole system deploys autonomously. The gates open, Atlas deploys, and personnel gets notified and receives a live feed of the drone. There are many benefits to the system being autonomous. It speeds up decision making, saving crucial seconds. It eliminates potential misunderstandings, and most importantly, it lets the team focus on the mission. Now, most of the heavy lifting is done by the AtlasNEST. Let's see it in action. Finally, once the mission is complete and you need to investigate the incident, all the data is available to you.